So I got these Lindor truffles. They are non-dairy, so they're made with oat milk. I'm currently non-dairy right now, and I've really been craving chocolate, so I thought I'd give these a try. And let me tell you, they are so delicious. You'd never know they are non-dairy. They have the same texture and everything as like normal chocolate made with regular milk. I was kind of worried they'd have like a weird texture or anything or something like that, but they are so delicious. This is what they look like. And I'll go ahead and open one. They look like just like a regular Lindt truffle, and the inside is creamy. So there's the inside, and that part is so good. It literally melts in your mouth. These are so good. So if you're limiting your dairy or going dairy-free, I highly recommend these. They're so delicious. I literally got this a few days ago, and I already ate all of them. So I definitely recommend picking these up.